So the first encryption that we're going to talk about is WEP or web cracking or web breaking. It is going to be a web encryption because it's the oldest one, is the easiest one to break, but we still don't know or still need to learn how to break it, because you will see networks that still use web application with encryption uses an algorithm called RC4. Each packet is encrypted at the access point and then it's sent to the air. So once the client receives it, since the client has the key, it will be able to decrypt the packet and read the information that are all inside. So very simple. Apply the IP encrypt on the packets and send it to the client to receive it. Then the client has the key, so the client then decrypts it. Same way, when the client sends the packet, it encrypts it and decrypt it and send it to the air. The cog and the access point then receives it. The access point has the key, so it will decrypt the package. So each packet I sent into the air has a unique key stream and ensures that the key stream is unique using a 24-bit initializing vector. So the initializing vector is a random number. It's sent into the packet and it's sent into a plain text. So this part is not encrypted. So if you read a packet and you'll be able to read it a plain text. But the problem with this is the IP or the initialization is very short. It's just 24-bit and it's not that long. So in a busy network, there will be a very large number of packets that are sent into the air. This means the number of possibilities of random IPs will be exhausted, and we will have two packets that have the same initializing vector. So the initializing vector is 24-bit random key. It's sent into the air in each packet and it sends into a plain text as a plain text in a busy network. So we are going to have a very large number of packets. This means that the possibilities of unique IPs will be exhausted, and then we will be able to sniffing this all those packets, and we will be able to collect those packets who have the same initializing vector. So once we have two packets and they have the same initializing vector, and then it will be use a statistical attack to determine the key stream, and after that it will be determine the web key. Okay, so from the above we know that the more IPs are initialization vector that we collect, the more likely that we will be successfully to crack the web key. So our main goal when we try to crack web is to collect as much as IPs as we can, because once we have a large number of IPs, then we are going to have like two packets, then we will use the same IPs, then it sends the air to crack the packet, and which is more likely able to determine the key stream and the web key for the targeted network.